So we are on task 7 of the privilege escalation. So and the next question now, after reading through the the contents given to us, so we're going to answer the question. So which user shares the name of the great chromic book writer? So the answer is Gary Conway. So how do we find out? You just have to cat etc password. So look through it, nobody system and so you can see this is a name of some every other users here doesn't sound like a name of a comic book writer. So even Ubuntu doesn't sound like a book writer. So Gary Conway, that's the name of a proper person that sounds. So yeah, after trying that, we can find out that's the answer. So looking at this, it looks unresolved. The list is not clean, so you can just say get tent password. So put get as password that will always give you, but there's another way to get a clean list. So and this is my copies from here because my pipe is not. So that's the list. You can look at it now. Get tent password pipe cut d F1. So you can say it give us all the lists without all the rubbish in front of it. So you can say Gary Conway. So it said what's the password of user 2? Password of user 2. So I don't know. So let me see if I can switch to user 2. After we listed all the of all the users, we can see user 2 is there. So what's the password of user 2? Switch to user 2. So I can guess the password. Let's use scary. No, something seems wrong. So what we have to do is to get the user password. Let's say etc. Let's cut etc slash password again. So maybe we can have some hash here. No, no hash for user password. Okay, let's see. No, nothing. But that's bin.sh. Okay. Cat etc shadow access the 9. So what we have to do is go back to the content, see what we have read and practice it here. He said find. So we see that the nano text editor has the SUI, the bit set for running. Defined you can see the command there. So just let's use the command there now to find it. Null, enter. So you just have to go through all this thing. Get password. Nano is not there. Every other thing is PPT. Okay. The SUD set for nano text editor create. Okay, fine. We can use the unshadow tools to create a crackable file. Yeah, the unshadow tools usage can be seen. Okay. Do we have any? Alright. So what we have to do is. So all we have to do is I always, as the list is very much, I always filter the list to get what I want. So my list, let me just find it here, grep it. So after using the grep command with the find command given to us to find the SUID, I can see only base 64 is vulnerable there. It's only base 64 that come out. You see, I grep base 64, I grep nano, I grep vim, fine, less. It's only base 64 that came out successful. So what we have to do is work on the base 64. So, and that is what this is what we have there. We have usr slash bin slash base 64. Yeah, we can decode base 64. The etc slash password. Yeah, etc slash password. We can already open it. Okay, let's say etc slash shadow. Yeah, decode base 64. Okay, let me just copy it from here. Base 64 etc shadow decode. So you can see this is the command I use. Base 64 decode. So using this, we have hash for user 2. So hash for user 2, you can copy it, go to hash.com decrypt, paste it here. Search again, I've already done one there before, so just paste it there, paste all the hash there, put the captcha WZKSK7 and submit. So what do I say? One hash will check, one font. So it said password 1, just like carry password. So you can see that's why I put it here as password 1. So going forward, you can even check for other people like Gary Conway. It costs nothing to check for Gary Conway. So let me just check and see if we can decrypt the password for Corey. Decrypt. So search again. Solve the captcha LTM9 1x. Search and submit. I'm not sure the captcha is right. Yeah, one actual check, one font, zero not font. So fine, we got the password for Gary, which is test123. So maybe we get to come back to that. So test123, won't forget that. So now I say, what is the content of the flag dot flag text? Okay, flag3.txt. So what we have to do here is, okay, let me say Control C, go back. Who am I? I think I'm still on Karen. Home slash Ubuntu. Let's check Ubuntu because we found the flag 2 on under Ubuntu the other time. So home slash Ubuntu. No, sorry. CD home slash Ubuntu ls flag. Okay, fine. Cat flag 3.txt 3.txt permission denied. But don't forget, after we check the SUID, we find the SUID the other time, it gave us the base 64. So it came out with base 64. So we can still use the same format we used to decrypt the etc shadow for base 64. User slash, sorry, I write it here, let me just copy it. So it's look at it now, is user being base 64 home Ubuntu flag 3 does xtx. Yeah, so you can just decode it like that. So it's because flag 3 is under Ubuntu. So just paste it. User bin base64. That is what we got the other time, if you remember that. So then we go straight to home ubuntu flag 3.txt. That's the file where the flag is. Then we pipe it with base64 decode. Easy. So it gave us the code. So thank you everyone.